In this video, we're going to talk about the human digestive system. It is made up of a long muscular tube as well as some associated glands. Glands produce enzymes, and these enzymes hydrolyze large molecules into smaller ones so that they can be absorbed. This is the digestive system, and it is one of the exchange surfaces of the body. We start off with the esophagus. It carries the food from the mouth to the stomach. And then the stomach is a muscular sac. On the inside, there's a layer that produces enzymes. So the stomach stores food and it digests it, especially proteins. We have heavy digestion of proteins in the stomach. And we also have the role of the glands in the stomach that produce enzymes. These enzymes will chemically digest the protein. So we have a heavy digestion of protein, both chemically and mechanically in the stomach. And then we have the ileum, which is a long muscular tube. Food is digested in the ileum by enzymes that are produced by the ileum itself, by the walls of the ileum, as well as glands that will pour their secretions into the ileum. These walls of the ileum are folded into villi, which gives them a large surface area. Even the villi have millions of tiny small projections to further increase the surface area. These projections are called microvilli, and they are found on the epithelial cells of each villus. So we have microvilli found on the epithelial cells that make the villus, and the villi make the inner walls of the ileum. This is an important adaptation that allows the ileum to absorb the products of digestion efficiently. This makes the diffusion process as well as the transport processes very efficient. After the ileum, we have the large intestine. Here we have absorption of water. Most of the water that we drink is absorbed in the large intestine. And finally, we have the rectum. The rectum is the final section of the intestines. The feces are stored in the rectum and removed periodically through the anus in a process called egestion.